Pause for a second, did you catch that? Up to 2 years in state jail and a $10,000 fine. That's no small slap on the wrist. This is where deferred adjudication becomes huge, basically a second chance where the court holds off on a conviction, but only if you play by the rules.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the... All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Lopez is a veteran, Your Honor. She's out of the country, and she has 2 children, teenagers, and she does not make that much money. She's a Uber Lyft driver to make ends meet. So we're asking the court to follow the agreement. Your Honor. She made a bad decision that day, and she regrets it. So we're asking the court to consider all those things. All
right, why are you stealing? Because that's what this is. It's called, fraudulent use and possession of identifying information, but basically it's stealing.
Oof, notice how the judge cuts through all the legal jargon. At the end of the day, fraudulent use of ID equals stealing. Sometimes judges do this to strip away excuses and drive home the seriousness of the charge.
I made a very poor choice at that time in my life. I'm not going to put the blame on somebody else, but I was dating somebody at that time, and he made it sound easy. And that time COVID started and I wasn't working and I wasn't getting any child support, and it was just hard for me.
So if you drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you're going to get drug tested today.
No, that's fine. I would be clean.
Negative?
Yes.
All right.
I'm nervous right now because I've never been in trouble. I've never been arrested. This is my first time.
Mm-hmm.
So this is all new for me right now.
And so who is this person you were with?
Benjamin Salcedo.
All right. And where is he now?
I have no idea. I haven't spoken to him in over a year.
So do your children live with you?
Yes, they do.
So why would you bring this person into their lives?
I didn't know at that time who he was and what is everything that he was about until afterwards. And then by then I was already wrapped up.
And see, that's what people need to understand when they have children. You can't be bringing people into their lives that you don't know who and what they're about. Before they're brought into your children's lives, you need to know who and what.
And here's the gut punch moment. The judge isn't just lecturing her, he's sending a message to every parent watching. Who you bring into your kids' lives can literally change the course of their future. Audience, what do you think? Should parents be legally accountable when their partner's bad choices spill into their kids' lives?
They're about.
Yes, I totally.
Because now the children have a mother who has felony charges.
Yeah.
So are you employed?
I'm a medical assistant, so now this is not very.
Doing what as a medical assistant?
I went to school for medical assistant.
No, I mean, what are you doing for employment?
Right now, I drive for Lyft.
Okay.
Because I needed the hours to pick up my daughter up from school. I don't like her riding public transportation by herself. She goes to Fox Tech.
Okay. All right. 2 years deferred adjudication, no contact with Maria Robles or her address. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Parenting classes. 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring it, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. The remaining of the hours will be waived once you complete parenting classes. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And then if there's no problem, it can be just random field visits. There's to be regular UAs. And there's to be a UA today. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Your analysis report today, in fact, do you work at court or outside?
In court,
Why? Okay.
because I'm requesting it and you're on probation and I can request that. So you're doing a UA today. Is there an issue with doing a UA today?
No, I'm just don't.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
And there it is, the turning point. She swore she'd be clean, but the court's about to find out otherwise. This is why honesty matters in probation hearings. Judges see hundreds of cases a week, and lying is the quickest way to lose credibility.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right. Do you need any water?
No, I just went to the restroom right before I.
No? Well, we'll have you remain here till you provide me with the sample.
It's pretty much a lose-lose situation.
Thank you. All right, Quentin Buteau,